Good morning. So we have some news, some big news, some good news, and some bad news. First thing is, we got some French toast here, complimentary via AUDIBLE. So last night we had a crazy idea. We're having too much fun to extend the stay of young Tom and young Phil through the weekends, which brings their stay to 10 days instead of 6 days. 3 more vlog days! That's the biggest news. I'm hearing back from Hanging Gardens in Ubud. They've pushed us back 1 more day. So we go to Ubud tomorrow and stay in their 7-star jungle hotel villa. So, Canggu 1 more day. The bad news is, when you're filming around beaches and water, stuff can get wet. So there's a possibility that the glide cam, aka stabilizer, aka pilot fly, is wet and may not wake up. So the footage may be less amazing like it was the last 3 vlogs, but it's still gonna be good. See you at the end of the video. Have a good night.
So it's about time that happened. You know how you keep your phone in the cup holder? We hit like a little bump and then it flew out while we're on the freeway, but no cracks, just some dust. Thanks to this amazing case and this amazing wallet case that you can find on Amazon. Links below. So this is the beach you go to get your boat ticket. Then you go classic ferry boat to Nusa Penida. So first of all, that sound is thunder. And it's Nusa Penida, I think, is over there. And it looks like it's raining over there on the island. And the second thing is we came too late. The next boat is at 3:30 and it's 2:30 right now, and the last boat back is at like 5, so it's not even enough time. But hey, we got to drive an hour around the city on a motorbike, and we can just explore this area, which is Sanur Beach. And what do you say, boys?
Yeah.
Get some ice cream? Do some character paintings? Alright, let's go be professional tourists.
Yeah.
Plastic bag.
Plastic bag. That one. Yeah.
They say plastic bag here. I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, you have changed me?
Yeah, yeah.
10,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're 10 and 25,
10 and 20?
35.
35?
Yeah.
25?
Yeah.
How about 20?
Oh. This very cheap Balinese price.
Balinese price?
Yeah, no tourist price.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bintang.
bintang.
Yeah.
Bintang.
This one lemon.
Yeah. Same?
Yeah. Yeah, same price.
It's cold?
Yeah, this cool.
Okay.
This one?
Okay.
Okay.
How much is that?
This is 25,
And
which is just a little bit less than $2.
yeah.
You know, it's always about the upsell. So if you're getting into e-commerce, it's always about the upsells. You already know that. So she just sold me a water, and then I was talking about beer, and then she upsold me on that. So, and you gotta support the locals. Can you open? Right now, so we're at Sanur Beach Market, famous market in the area, and we're just cruising around, looking at beautiful stuff, and trying to find some yummy eats. Let's go. looking for street food, and we got this Tide Me Over hot dog. This is the appetizer, and then we'll go find some street food. Right here, this is Balinese style. This is just, it's got these black and white checkered temple shrines. That's Bali, guys. Have you ever been to Bali? Oh my God, it's amazing. No, but seriously, that's beautiful. I like it. Okay. I've seen some water jugs filled with water on top of some heads, but that's impressive. You don't see that much in Thailand, the head carrying, and I've seen it in good amount.
That was impressive. That was like
I love myself a good head carry.
That was about as big as a person.
So Sanur Beach, thank you. This is kind of in the south of Bali. We're gonna go back to Kuta Beach and get some more food over there and see what we can do for sunset. So we're pulling up to the best pork satay in Bali. And I love how they have just a screenshot of the Google app on their phone right here. And they also have a screenshot of the Instagram to let you know that we're on Instagram too. Right here. It smells delicious. I didn't even have to listen to my Google map in my headphones. I could smell where it was. So let's go. Picture of a pig that I've ever seen. Okay.
What is this?
Yo, this is pork satay. This is Balinese pork satay. We actually already ate it the other day by the beach, but this claims it's the best. And they do it in bulk. Basically, they're taking a street food favorite and turning it into a full-fledged restaurant. So I remember how I found this place, and it was because of Mark Wiens' video of Bali. So that's how I found pork satay. And if I was Mark Wiens, I would be saying, "Oh, look at the red chilies there. Look how juicy and oily. I'm just gonna get extra spicy, because if you don't eat spicy, you don't eat food."
Describe it. Describe the tasting of it.
Sweet, spicy, savory, so meaty. Much more meat than the street food by the beach. Aaron was asking for some street meat. This is the definition of street meat. We're gonna go in on these. All right, Beach Boys. Oh my gosh. Dude. Okay, I've been in Southeast Asia for almost 3.5 years. I've never seen a pink dragon fruit smoothie. I'm serious.
That's small. Alright, I want to know your review, dude. What does it taste like?
So good, so tasty. That is great meat. That's the street meat I've been looking for all day. Yeah. Love it.
Tasty treats 24/7, all day, every day.
So this is called cake rice, and you saw it on the day one Bali vlog when I was eating it by the beach. There's no better name than cake rice, because it's literally cake rice. It's a mixture of cake and rice, and I'm just gonna
That's different.
kind of do it like that. Very interesting. I've never seen cake rice in Thailand, Vietnam, or anywhere else I've ever been. Try it out. So this one is a special wrap, and it's fish, and oh my gosh, and you guys can tell me the name of it in the comments, but wow, if I was Mark Wiens, I would be like, whoa. So don't sleep on this, guys. I was hoping they had some extra specialties other than just the satay. This just looks flavorful and juicy.
What does it taste like?
Wow. It tastes like the best, most flavorful curries, spices, juicy, oily, hot, and spicy fish cake, and it's delicious. That's what that is. She told me over there. I couldn't remember. It's tuna.
Yo, what's this?
And so this looks like I'm not sure. I didn't ask her what this is. Maybe some other type of meat. A little bit different style of satay.
Tasty.
Super sweet. It's like honey sweet. Whoa! It's got it's really sweet. Oh my gosh! I don't know what.
About right.
And so we have one more, or we have two more things. We have 2.5 more things. So this one is one of them is chicken and one of them is pork, and it's cooked with coconut milk, and it's kind of like a mixture. Wow, food porn, guys. So that's how you improvise. Today was gonna be a beautiful beach day, hiking, beautiful views, but it was raining, so turned this into a street food vlog pretty much. Audible Peyton Manning. Ooh. Satay. I'm gonna be dreaming tonight like satay. More satay. I'm gonna turn into a satay tonight. Do I look like a satay? Satay rather. What's this shot? What's cat in my face?
No, but seriously, what we gonna do now? I'm full.
Honestly, right now, you're just hanging out with us as we go on vacation. That's really what these videos are about. The travel experience, experiencing travel through a screen when you're not traveling. Because you know, travel is the dream. Everyone wants to make money so they can travel, so they can have these days where it's rainy, so you gotta change your plan, and then you gotta go look up food on YouTube, and then you gotta figure out what you're gonna do when it's still raining later, and then you gotta read the TripAdvisor, and then you gotta pack your bags, and you gotta decide what we're gonna do tomorrow, and then we're gonna decide what we're gonna do the next day, and then one person wants to do this, one person wants to do that, and we're like, oh, I'm hungry, I'm like, oh, I'm tired, I don't want a beer, I don't want to go drinking. It's just, you know, this is travel, you know? And that's what travel vlogs are about, just sharing those times to people who are not as lucky as us, who get to travel very often. So honestly, right now, I don't know what we're gonna do next. We thought about maybe a sunset surf, so we'll see if we can make it happen. But you never know, so come along. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Help us get to 100K so we can pay Tom full time.
Tom can eat with us.
So we can eat.
So Tom can, yeah, so
I can
actually
eat.
afford 4 plates instead of 3. He hasn't eaten this
Tom's
trip.
actually not eating with us.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, Roddy, can you tell us this whole like picture menu thing?
Yeah, it's a big travel tip. So you just go on the whatever app you use, this is Google Maps, and just order off the pictures. Or go to their Instagram and just, it's a great way to order. Travel tip number 19.
Woo!
Me being silly.
It's very clickbaity of you.
Boy, the 99.9% of Thai people combined. Are they rolling?
We're rolling, bro.
I didn't hear action. Camera's not on.
We're action, bro. We're action. We're going. We're
this
action.
is what really happened. I was looking on my Oracle device for food, and then I was like, oh, this restaurant has like, that looks like Indonesian khao soi type of stuff. Dude, I have to try that. And they also have crispy pork. So we come here and it, like, it actually is khao soi. It's just a Thai restaurant. But anyway, I've consumed more khao soi than 99.9% of actual Chiang Mai locals. Fact. 100% fact. But no, I am a khao soi connoisseur, so let's try the broth first. Ooh. You know when you get that red oil in there, then it's authentic. Whoa. Whoa. It's got some Indonesia spice in there for sure. It's got some Bali flavor. I got it with the beef. Let's go ahead and, of course, judge the crispiness. Crispiness of the crispies. Just get some noodles in there.
So we didn't even come here for us to eat. Like, we don't even have any food. We just came here just so Riley can have his khao soi. We ain't got any food. We're just sitting here, just sitting with Riley. While he's eating his khao soi.
Tom can eat.
Anyway,
Subscribe.
this is Siam Thai restaurant here in Seminyak Beach, right around Seminyak Square. Very popular touristy happening area here in Seminyak. So this crispy pork is looking really good. Go ahead. So actually, truth be told, I was really feeling crispy pork tonight, and I saw the picture on the Google map, and they happen to also have khao soi, so I had to get that too. But crispy pork, I'm a fiend. Guys, some of the best crispy pork. All right, we're gonna grab this. We've already seen too much food porn today. Tomorrow we're officially going to Ubud, and we are staying at a 7-star hotel in the jungle. 7-star hotel.
Didn't know that existed.
That we didn't even know existed until a few days ago. Apparently it has the world's best pool, so click somewhere around the video to watch the next video, because we're going to Ubud, which I'm very excited for. Good night. We're gonna grab this. Peace. Namaste. Also watch all the other Bali videos and all the videos from all around the world, all around Southeast Asia. Gotta go!